So I ran the application, and this is the default application counter app. I just want to let you know that while running the application, I was facing some error. So this was the error I was getting, so I searched for that. So ChatGPT gave me suggestions to add few things. First of all, in this build.gradle Android level, I added this line, and in this Gradle settings, there it is, Android level, asked me to add this line. Then I ran the application and it ran successfully. Let's close these two. Now we have already created our folder structure. So first of all, we will start with our splash screen. So inside this view, let's close this. Inside this view folder or directory, we will create one dot file by the name splash screen. So our splash screen is stateful kind of widget, and instead of this placeholder, we'll use a scaffold. Now let's go to main.dart. Remove these extra quotes, boilerplate quote I mean. Fine. Now first of all, while hitting APIs and all, we need to take care of exceptions error, because while hitting APIs we got so many exceptions, and we can call it as an error. So for handling that, inside this data folder, we will create some files. Let's create exception class. And it will implement exception. I'll show you how to handle exception in a correct way. Inside this, we'll create two variables. Added this inside this constructor. Now we will inherit this class in another class. So I'm creating here separate class for separate errors. Like let's suppose if we are hitting APIs, then we will definitely get internal check for that. If internet is there, then it will hit the API, otherwise it will show error like check your internet connection or no internet. Same as timeout, or like if there is some issue with the API, then we will show server error, etc. it will extend app exception. It has super function. Here we can add some default message. So like this we will handle exception for different scenarios. Let's create one more for timeout exception. Let's suppose if I'm hitting APIs and it is not giving response, so or it is taking some time for providing response, so we can show request timeout exception. So this message, it is taking from this app exception class. If I will remove this message, you can see there. Let's revert back. Okay. So meanwhile, you can add as many exceptions which will be required in your project, and this will be very helpful when we will use our try catch method, because while hitting APIs we must use try catch so that our app will not be crash, and while handling error or exception it will show proper message. So that's it in this video. We have already started implementing MVVM with GetX. We have created MVVM folder structure and exception. So in this in the next video we will try to hit the APIs with the help of MVVM and GetX, and will use the response and all, and also I will show how to use this exception at the time of hitting APIs. So that's it in this video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.